Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys one hair oil that will help to regrow hair loss, help with hair thickness, and also help promote hair growth. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the only ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be black seed oil. Black seed oil helps to soothe inflammation. It is high in antioxidants. It has antimicrobial properties, and it also helps with hair thinning and hair loss. Black seed oil contains two powerful antihistamines. These antihistamines are often prescribed to patients with alopecia to help with hair regrowth and any thinning spots. Black seed oil is full of potent properties and beneficial elements. Black seed oil can encourage hair growth and strengthen hair follicles. Also, it acts as a natural moisturizer and reduces the dryness on the scalp and prevents hair fall. With that being said, 100% pure, unrefined, cold pressed black seed oil has to be diluted in another carrier oil because it is too potent on its own. And when diluted, it can be used directly on the scalp to reduce inflammation, stimulate hair growth, and reduce flakiness and sensitivity. Since this is 100% pure cold pressed black seed oil, it is suggested to dilute the oil since it is very potent. So I'm going to take a teaspoon of this and add it to my favorite hair growth oil, which is the Creole Lily henna oil. The Creole Lily henna hair growth oil has a new improved formula which now contains black seed oil in it. So if you are interested in this hair oil, I'll leave a link down in the description box. It is off of my website, creolelily.com. So you can add black seed oil to your favorite hair growth oil or your favorite carrier oil. Also, black seed oil can be ingested as well. Black seed oil helps to treat asthma, various skin conditions, lowers blood sugar and cholesterol levels, aiding in weight loss and also protecting brain health. So all you want to do is apply this hair oil all over your hair from roots to ends, and you can apply this all over your hair 2 to 3 times a week, or you can also do it daily if necessary. Other ways that you can use the black seed oil is by incorporating it into your favorite Prepoo treatment. So here I just have some aloe vera gel and I've added it to an applicator bottle with the henna hair growth oil as well as a few drops of black seed oil. So you just want to apply the treatment all over your hair from root to ends and then just let it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour and then follow up with your favorite shampoo. So you can do this as often as you wash your hair, whether that be once a week, every 2 weeks. Also, another way that you can use black seed oil is by adding a couple of tablespoons into your favorite conditioner and then applying it all over your hair, letting it sit for about an hour and then washing it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.